Alright guys, welcome back to Nico Brothers. We're continuing the build on our 2009 Subaru WRX. And last part we took it all apart, now we ordered all the parts, a lot of parts came in, so let's check out what we got. So the driver fender came in, nice new part, we checked it out, no dings, no damages, looks really good, so that's great. We ordered some aftermarket headlights, so we're gonna have to open these up and check out what we got, but they came in pretty quick. Also, the new radiator support. You guys check this out. Brand spanking new. So we can get this thing installed and put the new headlights on, put the fender on. The hood should come in today and the bumper. So technically today we should knock out the framework right in the garage without the frame machine. We should get it welded in, painted. It's a big job, but we definitely can do it. So let's get straight to work. Okay, so here we are in the front of the car. We got, the old radiator support all taken apart. Now here's the new one. Let's try to just put it on here and see how it fits. So over here it fits really nice, where we had like no damage. That, almost perfect. Over here it's really nice, that's coming out really nice. Over here the support on the bottom was a little high, so it looks like we're gonna need to adjust that. And then that should fix that little issue. And then we still have all that. So let's just hammer this thing down a little bit, get the lower radiator support to sit nice and level, and then we can work with that. Okay, so here we have it. We got it all hammered down and it's looking like it's sitting really nice on the bottom now. Got a little clamp right there. This is sitting nice. Got a little bolt right there because there's a hole and it's sitting very nice. Very close to adjust. This side too, it's gonna be nice. So next thing we can work on is trying to shape this thing back to where it should belong. So let's get to it. Okay, so here we have it. We got the radiator support on. We hammered this out. It's looking really good, straight. And we measured it with a trim gauge across. It's looking really good. So we're ready to probably put the fenders on, put the headlights on, and the bumper. So let's try it out. Okay, so here we have it. We're actually missing the little bracket right here for the bumper, so that will go on there nicely. And then once we put the lock on, the gap's looking really good. Everything's turning out really nice. This side's even looking even better. And then that bracket too. We're gonna need to order that. So pretty much we're ready to take it apart a little bit and get the radiator support welded on. So we took the front end apart, it looked nice and easy, and then we put it on some self-tappers so we know where it needs to go. But we're pretty much gonna take this thing off, clean all the welds, put weld-through primer on it, punch some holes in this, and be ready to weld it up. Let's keep working. Okay, so just like that, we got it all welded in, and it turned out sweet. It turned out really nice and easy. The next step would be we're gonna have to scuff this down a little bit, and we're gonna have to paint it. So Let's all get it all scuffed down, get some paper behind it so we don't have no overspray, and paint this puppy. Let's get to it. All right guys, so definitely a lot of progress today. I mean, all the framework is basically done on it. And it's just pretty awesome, you know, just bare hands, no frame machine, just grit and going at it. But hey, looks factory, everything's lining up, looking straight. Just like that, it's like never been wrecked. Yeah, and you can do it in your garage. Yeah, I mean, honestly, it just takes a little bit of time, but just keep going at it. But so we got some parts that came in, suspension-wise, but that's honestly all the time we have for today. It's definitely getting late. We'll knock out some more tomorrow, but let's just check out what we got real quick. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna get into it too much. Like I said, tomorrow we'll go at it, but we got a control arm, our lug nuts. Look at these things, it's gonna look good. Oh yeah, definitely gonna stand out. Shocks. Here's the rims. I'll show you tomorrow the face. Stay tuned for sure. But like I said, progress, we'll keep going, we'll get this thing knocked out. Definitely still gotta paint it. A lot of body work to do, but not a problem. Thanks guys for watching. Stay tuned until next time.